Have you ever seen a creature that looks so clumsy on land, yet transforms into a graceful dancer underwater? That's the magic of sea lions. They're not just animals, they're furry bundles of pure joy, and they've got stories to tell. Imagine this: you're lying on a warm rock, the sun kissing your skin, the sound of the ocean lulling you into a peaceful nap. That's a sea lion's daily life. They gather in big groups, like a big, noisy family, and they love nothing more than a good sunbath. They sprawl out, flippers stretched, sometimes even piled on top of each other, making the funniest, most adorable heaps. But don't be fooled by their lazy demeanor on land. Once they hit the water, it's like they put on a superhero cape. They become sleek, powerful swimmers, twisting and turning with incredible agility. They chase fish, play with each other, and explore the vast ocean with a sense of wonder that's contagious. It's like watching kids in a giant watery playground. What makes sea lions so special? It's their eyes. Those big, dark eyes seem to hold a whole world of emotions. They're curious, playful, and sometimes even a little sad. You can see the intelligence shining through, like they're trying to tell you something. They have this way of looking at you, like they understand more than we think. And their voices. Sea lions aren't shy about making themselves heard. They bark, growl, and honk, creating a symphony of sounds that fills the air. It's their way of communicating, of telling each other stories, of warning each other of danger. Each bark is a personality, a feeling, a moment. Think about their lives. They face challenges every day. They have to find food, avoid predators, and navigate the ever changing ocean. Yet, they do it with resilience and a spirit that's truly inspiring. They're survivors, they're playful, they're family. When you watch a sea lion, you're not just watching an animal. You're seeing a creature that embodies the joy of life, the power of nature, and the importance of family. They remind us to slow down, to appreciate the simple things, and to find joy in every moment, whether it's basking in the sun or diving into the deep blue. They are a reminder that even though we are so different, we all share this planet, and that watching them live their lives is a gift. Next time you see a sea lion, take a moment to really look, to really listen. You might just see a little piece of yourself reflected back. Let's now prepare to have your heart stolen. You think you know sea lions? Think again. We're about to unveil their unique facts hidden beneath the waves, whispers of their lives that will leave you utterly breathless. 1. Unlike seals, sea lions have external ear flaps and large, powerful front flippers that they can rotate. This means they can walk on land. Watch how they use those flippers to navigate rocky shores. They're surprisingly agile, almost like they have little hands. 2. Sea lions are incredibly vocal. Each individual has a unique bark, almost like a voice print. Mothers and pups use specific calls to recognize each other in huge, noisy colonies. It's like a complex language of the sea, filled with barks, growls, and honks. 3. These guys are Olympic-level swimmers. They can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour underwater. Plus, some species can dive to depths of over 900 feet in search of food. That's deeper than many submarines. They hold their breath for a long time, and their bodies are designed to handle the pressure changes. 4. Believe it or not, sea lions can sleep both on land and in the water. They can even slow their heart rate and hold their breath while submerged, taking short naps. It's like they have a built-in snooze button for the ocean. 5. Male California sea lions develop a distinctive mane of thicker fur around their necks as they mature. This mane makes them look larger and more intimidating, which is crucial for defending their territory and attracting mates. It's like their own personal lion's mane, but for the sea. 6. Sea lions are incredibly intelligent and playful. They've been observed playing with kelp, rocks, and even other animals. They seem to enjoy solving simple puzzles and exploring their environment. This intelligence helps them adapt to changing conditions and find food. 7. Did you know there are multiple species of sea lions? From the massive Steller sea lion to the smaller, more agile California sea lion, each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations. They live in different parts of the world, each one amazing in their own way. So, there you have it. Sea lions are truly remarkable creatures. If you enjoyed these facts, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's spread the word and help protect these amazing animals.